In this video, we're going to see interviews of a belly dance spouse, a belly dance friend, and a new belly dancer. Coming up. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dancing. Do you actually know what belly dancing is? Like if you were to tell somebody in one sentence what it is, what would you say?
I probably couldn't say it very artistically. It's a full body dance where they are able to really use it seems like their core is a very important part of it. You're asking the wrong person to explain dance though.
I've been dancing for like a year now, but belly dancing for just a few months. I started swing dancing. I used to live in the Middle East, so I've seen some belly dancing, but I've never participated, so this is my first time participating.
So you didn't try belly dancing when you lived in Abu Dhabi?
No, not at all. Yeah.
So what do you think of it?
I love it.
Yeah. What's your favorite
fun.
part of it?
It's fun to practice at home and then just come to class and just see the improvement. Like I remember when I finally got a shimmy down, a hip shimmy, I was so proud.
That's
and then
awesome.
Now I'm already trying to learn the twist shimmy better.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, that's awesome.
Actually, my very first performance experience was in public at Baker Park in downtown Frederick, and that was just so much fun and amazing. And to me, you know, if you're going to take a belly dance class, you have to have some sort of an opportunity to perform.
And so was this your first recital or performance?
Yes.
How'd you feel about that?
I was really nervous. I actually didn't want to invite anyone. I wasn't sure if I was going to come, but then I was like, put on your big girl pants. And
Bravo. Yeah, put on. Ryan, what's your feeling of the whole belly dance scene?
I think it's a very encouraging thing to see women feel very comfortable with their bodies and just come out and express themselves by way of dance. And it's something that puts them in an environment that isn't very self-conscious. It's more about the inner beauty coming out and being very comfortable with what they have to share with everybody. And it's very, very cool to just see them express themselves so openly. It's not about how well they necessarily have in technique. It's about how well they feel about themselves, and they can really express themselves in dance and make themselves feel comfortable just being themselves.
Have you ever had a belly dancer dance inappropriately in a way where you were an audience member where you felt uncomfortable or like, hey, this isn't really belly dance?
Well, inappropriately, no. Not necessarily with the context of what has happened, but inefficiently, yes.
Explain yourself. Yeah, what does that mean?
Well, sometimes with use of props in an ineffective way detracts from the performance, and sometimes it can be outright dangerous and might actually cause harm to somebody else. Like with a cane, they can possibly hit things like a person or a wall, or detract from actual dancing. It's more like I'm playing with a cane.
Have you been hit with a cane?
I personally have been hit with a cane during a performance as an audience member.
Oh, wow.
It happened, sadly, on 3 occasions during the same performance date.
Same dance?
Same performer.
So now do you have PTSD when you see a dancer with a cane?
With a cane, I very much have PTSD.
So maybe this dancer was dancing too close, or there just wasn't enough space?
It was a tight audience, but the dance shouldn't be about the prop in the first place.
What should it be about? What should the dance be about? If it's not about the prop and they're dancing with a prop, what do you what would make the dance meaningful for you?
It can be either expressing an emotion or a story, or being a progressive thing that builds and builds and brings about emotion or a feeling that they want to expressed to the audience. It shouldn't be about just look at my prop or something like that. It can help, but it shouldn't be the centerpiece, I feel. The centerpiece is the dancer and the dance itself.
If you're thinking about belly dancing, I would say just do it. It is amazing exercise. It's a wonderful community of people. Everybody that I have met through belly dancing is so unbelievably welcoming and friendly, and just do it. It's so much fun.
There's no shame in looking like a beginner. I think it's really fun. I think you need to tap into your inner child, the fearless 5-year-old that didn't care what it looked like as long as they were having fun, and just find that person inside you.
Simply express yourself. Do what makes you feel comfortable. Don't worry about what other people feel about you while you're up there. Just be yourself and continue doing stuff that you are passionate about.
Belly dancing is the art of putting the music on your body, dancing moves that represent the sound and the feel of the music with a particular aesthetic. Hey, if you enjoyed this, smash the like button and share this video with a friend. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday and sometimes on Thursdays too. We suggest that you watch next some of the vlogs on belly dance haflas or parties, or watch a belly dance performance by us and our band. So, ma salama, we'll see you on the next video.